Hi guys, it's Synolve. How are you guys doing? We're back at the urban garden, and there are days like today when I just don't feel like being in the garden. I love the garden, it's amazing, but there are days when it's raining and it's wet, or it's cold and it's icy, or even when I'm in pain because I have some issues with arthritis. There are days when I just don't feel like being in the garden, and so today is one of those days. So as you can see, it's raining now. It's really coming down, and I've been hobbling around in the garden, but we just had a few things we needed to get done. And so, but I do have something that I use for pain. I make herbal teas, but I have something else that I use, and so let me show it to you. I've been using this system, the TENS EMS massage system, and I'm thankful and grateful to AUVON for sending this out to me. This is a transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, which stands for TENS. It's non-invasive, drug-free method of pain control. And so TENS uses tiny electrical impulses sent through the skin to the nerves to modify your pain perception. It's only a temporary relief, but you can use it on sore and aching muscles, any pain associated with your shoulder, waist, back, neck, upper extremities, your arms, lower extremities, due to strain from exercise or normal activities, household work activities. So anything with pain. Also, the EMS is the electrical muscle stimulation. That's what EMS stands for. It stimulates the muscles rather than the nerve cells. And so the EMS stimulates your motor nerves, and which include muscle contractions, and mimics the way they contract during a workout. It will force the muscles to rapidly contract and relax. The massage increases blood flow to the affected areas. It could possibly impact the blood flow and increase it by transmitting electrical impulses to your muscles via the pads. In addition, the massage causes your body to release endorphins, which help to reduce stress. Now, so I'm putting these on the back of my leg now. You see it's got these pads, and this is on the front of my legs. All you had to do was charge it up and plug it up, and those pads, look at them, they're just gel pads, and they're just so easy to come off and put on. And so now I'm taking these off, and I'm gonna place them back on this little sheath protector, and it's just that easy. It's just that easy to do. So hi guys, Synolve. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to come back and share my thoughts on the TENS EMS device for pain. And so I wanted to really come back and share my thoughts on the device, and kind of what I was thinking and how it worked for me. I really had a lot of success. It's got some, as you've seen, it really is, comes packaged really well in the box. I'm just unraveling it now. Comes with this little baggie to hold your things, which is silk, and it's kind of protecting it. And everything wraps around. So you've got these silicone pads that conduct the the little pulses. It also comes with a quick guide, which is got all the information that you need in it. Everything that you need is in here, which is pretty awesome. The speeds, even for the different, different places in your body. I'm just looking through here, but for the different places in your body, it'll, like if you have a neck pain, joint pain, wherever your pain is, it'll kind of show you where, where, depending on the pain, where to place it. And I just think that's amazing. It comes with a couple of sets of these pads. Yeah, I love it. I don't have any complaints at all about it. It's really amazing. And so if I have a code, I'll leave it below. I really love it because it has really helped me. And so this quick guide is to really help you understand the operation and the setup, right, of the TNS, of the AUVON system. And so yeah, I have really had good success. How has this really been helpful for me? So I wanted to come back and share for me. You've seen me use it. For me, I don't like to take medicine. I don't like to take drugs, nothing. And so I wanted to use it for a while. I used it, I think, for about a month before I even am doing this video, filming this video. And for me, it's really helped me with pain because I don't like taking medicine. I do make herbal teas. I think I probably mentioned that. But I'm just not a medicine kind of, you know, person. And this has helped me to remain, you know, really keep my body, you know, not add more inflammation and more any drugs or, you know, and please talk to your doctor before doing any of this, before using the TMs, for ordering any of this for yourself. But for me, just sharing my personal experience, it has helped me manage my pain. And so it has helped me to manage the pain. I've used it on my legs, on my the top of my leg, and then underneath, behind, at the back of my leg as well, because I have some arthritis. At first they were saying rheumatoid arthritis, now they're thinking osteoarthritis. We'll figure all that out. But it has really helped me. It has really helped me because it was so swollen and just you barely could press down on it. Sometimes I can barely walk. And that pain has limited my mobility and my ability to work in the garden and do all the things that I wanted to do. So with the TENS and the EMS system by AUVON, I have just been able to get my life back. I've been able to get my life back and to get back to doing the things that I love and the things that I enjoy. So I am extremely grateful for AUVON for sending this out to me to try. And if I have any codes or links below, I will definitely put them, you know, in the description box. So definitely check down there. But for me, it's been awesome. It's been great. It's giving me my life back. It's giving me mobility back. It's a drug-free method. And I'm able to control the pulses and control what I need. So I don't have to put it up on really high. Usually a 2, I think, is as high as I've ever put it on. And I will use it twice. So I'll use it, let it run through once, and then I'll let it run through again. And yeah, the charging even is easy, right? Just plugging it in, right? Like you check, you know, like you plug your phone in, you can plug it in. And if you don't have a, you know, like I do, a little thing where you can plug it directly into a cord and get just a block, right, for iPhone or any I think some of the Samsung phones will even kind of use some of the same blocks and back. So yeah, it's just been easy, and cleanup is easy. The pads, taking them off, I probably showed you that, is even easy. I love it. I mean, I absolutely love it. I do the TENS. I've done it, you know, I haven't had to do it a lot, which really has shocked me, because once you do it, it really does keep the pain away for maybe a week or so. That's been my experience. And so, yeah, at least every 4 days, maybe, yeah, 4, I think at first it was like 3 days, and then I went to 4 days. So for me, it's been really amazing. I don't think, I can't foresee myself going back to pain medicine. Now, I have tried in the middle of that, because the doctor had already prescribed something. I've tried like, and we'll talk about this in another video, but I've tried like creams. I've tried, and the creams make me so sleepy. Pain creams that you rub on your leg. I have tried the pain meds, which put me to sleep. I don't like them. I've tried herbal teas, which really do good and help to help with the inflammation. And with the teas, it's so helpful, but you have to be really consistent. And sometimes I'm not as consistent. So it's great to have, if a flare up comes immediately, then while I'm waiting on the herbal teas to work, I can just charge my TENS, you know, TENS and EMS system kind of, and go ahead and put this in and put the pads on, and then I'm kind of ready to go. So I would give this an A+. I really would. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's a game changer. It's life changing. And hey, if you have any type of arthritis or joint pain or muscle pain, or just pain in the body, period, I would definitely talk to my doctor, health professional about it. Talk to your chiropractor, because I saw some chiropractors really recommending this. Talk to your chiropractor, your physical therapist, and just see what they say, because you can, when you go to physical therapy, sometimes, I know sometimes they may use something very similar, but a larger device. And so this is a home version, and I'm just absolutely happy to have it. The cleanup, like I said, is really easy. I think mine may have been a little oily because I've been using it, handprints or whatever. But yeah, I'm happy. I am so happy and so grateful for AUVON for sending this out to me. And like I said, if I have any links or information, I'll leave it in the description box below. You guys, I wanted to try it, like I said, for a couple of days and weeks, back to back, to really, because I take reviewing things really seriously, so I wanted to really get a good workout out of it and use it before sharing any information for you, so with you, and to really know my own experiences and have some experiences with it. And so I hope this is helpful. If you're in pain, this is definitely an option for you. All right, guys, I love you guys so much. This is Synolve signing off. I'm gonna see you in another video real soon. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.